Firefighting installation. Design India PVT Ltd stands as a preeminent authority in the realm of fire safety and protection systems across India. With a steadfast commitment to excellence, this esteemed organization specializes in the meticulous design, installation, and maintenance of cutting-edge firefighting equipment and infrastructure. The company's team of highly skilled engineers and technicians possesses extensive knowledge in fire safety regulations and state-of-the-art technologies, enabling them to craft bespoke solutions tailored to diverse architectural landscapes and industrial environments. At the forefront of innovation, firefighting installation, Design India PVT Ltd offers a comprehensive suite of services encompassing fire detection systems, suppression mechanisms, and evacuation protocols. Their expertise extends to the implementation of advanced sprinkler systems, fire hydrants, and foam-based extinguishing solutions, all of which are meticulously engineered to meet the stringent safety standards set forth by national and international regulatory bodies. The company's portfolio boasts an impressive array of successfully completed projects across various sectors, including commercial complexes, industrial facilities, and residential high-rises.